beautiful September 4th day, 2024. Had a near fatal on the 1957 West Bend Main Elgin. I was changing the head gasket and I snapped off two of the head bolts. And when I was trying to drill them out, I got off center on one of them and I thought the end was near. But I managed to get it straightened out, and I ran it in the barrel for several different times to check for any leaks. It's holding good at a little over 80, just a hair over 80 pounds compression on both cylinders. No signs of water on the spark plugs. It runs so cool in the test barrel I couldn't get it warm enough to. I want to replace the head bolts, but I'm going to do that after it warms up a bit. She's running great. One of my favorites. It's only a 7.5, but I'm pushing along it. Well, when I moved to the back seat, I'm down to 13. I was pushing this 14-foot Sea Nymph with 64-inch beam at 14 miles an hour. Pretty good for a 7.5. Awesome little motor. Most of these homes are year-round, but there sure is a lot less traffic than there has been all summer. Thanks for watching.